you stop that. Brandon doesn't want. Brandon wants 0 holes. Ah, hole. Will you stop it? No holes. No holes allowed in my bubble bath. Got it. No holes.
That was you, Brandon.
No, it wasn't.
I know, I was just kidding.
You go on the second naughty list now. Mommy, the videotape's over. I want to see it. Yeah, you're gonna look like Santa Claus. Brian, you look like Santa Claus.
Let me see, Brian. Look at mommy. Let me see. You look good.
Let me put it on my head.
Let's see, Brandon.
Which is better?